Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk through how to create a freelance project tracker in Notion. This will be your go-to guide for 2025 and beyond, so let's dive right in. First up, let's create a new page in Notion. This is where your tracker will live. Simply click the plus New Page button and give your page a name like Freelance Project Tracker. The reason we do this is to keep our tracker separate and organized from other content. Next, we'll add a table to this page. Click the plus Add a Block button, then select Table. This forms the backbone of our project tracker. It's essential because it allows us to categorize and sort our project data in a visually appealing and easily understandable format. Now that we've added our table, let's customize it to track our freelance projects. You can add columns for various project details, such as client name, project title, due date, status, and payment. Simply click on plus Add a Property. Select Text for most fields, but for the due date and status, choose Date and Select, respectively. This helps us because it ensures we track all necessary information for each project. Next up, let's input some project details. Just click on the plus New button on the table and start entering your project data. As you populate your tracker with data, you'll see how easy it becomes to keep track of all your projects. This step is vital because it transforms our table into a real-world, functional project tracker. Once you've entered your project data, it's time to utilize Notion's powerful filtering and sorting features. Click Sort to order your projects by due date or client name, and use Filter to display only certain projects. For example, you can set a filter to only show projects that are due in the next week, allowing you to focus on immediate tasks. This is important because it gives us real-time control and oversight of our projects, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, feel free to customize your tracker further by adding tags, comments, or even file attachments to each project. Notion is all about flexibility, so make this tracker your own. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you customize your tracker, it becomes a dynamic, living document that evolves with your freelance career. In conclusion, creating a freelance project tracker in Notion is a simple yet powerful way to manage your projects. Start with a new page, add a table, customize it, input your project details, and then use Notion's sorting and filtering capabilities to stay on top of your work. Remember, the key to successful project management is staying organized and keeping all your project information in one place. With Notion and this guide, you're well on your way. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.